Hello, hi, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Notando Kulu, and this is Notando Agriculture, where we talk about all things agriculture. So if this is the content that you like, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss on any future videos. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to make seedlings and the crops that you can plant in April during autumn so that you can ensure a good harvest in winter. So the plants that you can start planting in April are your legumes, which are different types of beans and peas as well. You can also do carrots, broccoli, cabbage, and spinach. So all of those plants are the ones that you can start here right now in April, and then you'll be sure to harvest by June, July. So you can either start by making seedlings, or you can make seed beds, or you can also plant directly into to ensure a good harvest. Make sure that you plant your crops in good soil and you water regularly, and make sure that they receive enough sunlight. Weed also regularly, and you can also mulch your crops, meaning that you can put grass in between your crops so that weeds do not grow, and they would also prevent insects and pests from eating your crop. Okay, so now let us look at how you can make your own seedlings at home using the resources that you already have at home. For the seedlings, you will need your container. Just make sure that you poke holes beneath. If you've got like a seedling tray, that is perfect, but this goes to show that you can use any container for your seedlings. And then obviously you need soil and then your seeds. You should put soil first in your container, inside your container. Just make sure that it is, you can take soil from anywhere, just make sure that it is damp, and then put it in like so, and then you will take your seeds. In this case we are using bean seeds, and you should put like a few seeds and obviously space them apart, and let us just put 5 in this case. 5 seeds will be fine, and then obviously you cover your seeds like so. Cover your seeds and then water them and put them in the sun.